fresh bonito. The rain is quite heavy today. Don't you think it has a certain charm? Indeed it does, my lady.
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by an hotel.
Welcome to our finest suite. You can use this tablet. Please enjoy some complimentary coffee.
Took your hand tonight. No, you're all that I want inside.
The water is nice.
I imagine we found